So I was trying to find a law firm who can cater to everyone nationwide. And Lou had mentioned to me, number one, it doesn't have to be a lawyer. It could be a paralegal. And number two, it just needs to be someone who's super smart and astute, who's going to give you the solid information. But we have a checklist of what it takes, like to get your MPI number if you don't have one, your national provider's number, to be able to know if you have equipment, whether you need to register it with the state, what kind of credentials do you need to have, what kind of credentials does a medical director in your state need to have. I'm going to be creating a relationship with a paralegal firm. And the paralegal firm is going to take responsibility for anyone anywhere in the country with a flat fee, and of being able to help you with everything, even if you're in a state that requires an MSO, where you're not allowed to own the medical spa unless you're an MD or an MP. But it doesn't have to be a lawyer. It just has to be someone super legally astute, knowing how to do that research, who can put those pieces together for you.